What are the different parts of the brain and what do they do? The brain controls everything that we do and how our body functions. It sends electrical messages along the spinal cord and the nerve fibres to all parts of our body. The nerve fibres also bring electrical messages back to the brain. The different areas of the brain control the different parts of our body. The largest part of the brain is called the cerebrum or forebrain. The cerebrum is divided into hemispheres, the left and the right hemisphere. The left hemisphere controls the right part of our body, and the right hemisphere controls the left part. Each hemisphere is further divided into 4 lobes. The frontal lobe controls our speech, problem solving, movement, personality and sensations. The temporal lobe is where we process sounds and where our memories are stored. The parietal lobe is where touch, temperature and pain is processed. It's where we recognise objects and process information when people speak to us. The occipital lobe processes what we see. At the back of the brain is the cerebellum or hindbrain. The cerebellum controls our balance, posture and coordination. The lower part of the brain is called the brain stem. It controls functions that we don't usually think about, such as breathing, sneezing, coughing, swallowing, and our heartbeat. In the middle of the brain are the pituitary gland and the pineal gland. The pituitary gland makes hormones that control lots of different body functions, such as our growth and the production of sperm and eggs. The pineal gland makes the hormone melatonin, which controls our sleep. Around the brain we have a collection of bones called the skull and membranes called meninges. The meninges support and protect the brain. A clear fluid called cerebrospinal fluid runs between the meninges. The cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, is made by tissues that line the brain ventricles. The CSF flows in and around the brain and the spinal cord. It protects them from injuries and provides nutrients. For more information about the brain and cancers that affect the brain or spinal cord, go to cruk.org/about-brain-tumours.